Hey y'all, I'm back on the beach today, only today it's Ocean Beach. And I had a signal here. This is my first signal. It was real faint until I scooped out a little, and then it got a little more solid. It's at 12 to 13, so I guess I'm gonna assume bottle cap. But I turned on the camera. And now it's an 11:12, which sounds better than a 12:13. If you ask me. Don't know how the wind is, but it seemed like the sound turned out okay on the last video. And I think I got it. It's in here. Let's find out. Feel it. Was that a nickel? Huh. Not what I expected, but I'm fine with that. That's a good sign. A little nickel. This is the state of the beach right now. We've been having some crazy tides lately. And it looks like they took a tractor and shoveled up a bunch of the sand to build a little barricade there. I don't think it's normally like that. So, maybe there's some stuff here that they have uncovered. I found a nickel. Let's keep going. Got it. That's the nice thing about the waves, is it'll clear out your, oh no, did I drop it? Nope, there it is. There it is. It'll clear all the sand right off your coin. Look at that. Okay, happy to be here. 2 coins in the first 5 minutes. Okay, just a little bit up the row, we got another signal. Kind of like the last one, a 30 signal, but a lot of black sand, so we'll see if it's real. Very faint. But, this stuff doesn't even want to fall out of my scoop. God, it's such a good number. Please be silver. Is that it? That blue thing? Oh man. It's a flashlight. Does it work? Nope. Alright. Well, it's weird that it was so faint. Maybe it's because I had iron turned off. Nope, I don't know. Blue flashlight. Cool. Haven't had a single signal in a long time, and I've been making my way towards the other side of these rocks to see if there's anything, but I got one here. Sounds like a dime.
Just a couple of swimmers next to the rock. Come back in the dangerous area you're going out into. They're very shallow.
Signal's gotten a little jumpier. Maybe a dime, maybe a copper penny. I think I got it. Oh yeah, it's in there. Let's do the wash it out technique since we're so close to the water. And then all the waves leave. That'll happen. Come here. Oh, that's a big one. That's a really big one. Gonna back up a little. Is it in there? Yep. I see it. There's a couple shells in there too. Got shell fragments and got this it's a dime? Yeah. Sweet little green dime. Cool. Alright. I guess I'll keep going. Well, I have a signal that I've been doing battle with for about 10 minutes. I've been coming out here and trying to dig it. Giant waves come. You can see my pants. They came all the way up to my crotch. Thought it was a bottle cap for a while based on the sound, but I think it's an earring. It's a weird earring for sure. I'm not sure. Those are little gemstones though of some sort. They're pretty shiny too. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that glinting off the sun? I don't know. That's pretty cool though. That's my first piece of jewelry at the beach. Technically my first real piece of jewelry. I think I found like half an earring once. Yeah, we'll see. I'll try to figure out what that is. That's not so bad. I'm just a few feet up from where I found that earring that I think is an earring. I didn't turn the camera on because I was trying to get it out of the hole before the waves came. Tide should be going down, but it is not cooperating with me right now. May have shifted some. Seems like it's more down in the center now. Oh, finally. Seems like I got it. Let's go the easy route. Oh, what the heck is that? That's not a gold ring. Hold on, let me get out of here. Get away from the waves. What do we got? I have no idea. Sorry, I'm not doing these live. I'm either trying to rush against the waves or the waves make it take so long that it's annoying. But I just found this. There's like a little top of a glass bottle attached to this wire. Super weird. Very weird thing. Very strange. Alright, I'm running out of time. It's almost dark. Just found a 25 signal. Apparently I lucked out and I got it already in the scoop. Let's see what it is. There it is, it's a dime, I see it. Yeah, dime. Got it just before the wave came. Excellent. Well, here we have the wrap-up from another day at the beach. I do like to pick up some shells now and then. Not a whole lot of change, just a couple pieces. Looks like 16 cents there. I got a weird piece of coral that looks like macaroni. I like that a lot. Got a flashlight. Got pretty much all these round ones sounded just like a gold ring, so Had to dig all those. Had a lot of these weird chunks. Fishing weight. The piece of wire that was probably one of those like sand in the little glass bottle art pieces maybe. Junk. And turns out this little guy is silver. Let's see if I can get it to focus on there. Oh, there you can see it. 925 Turkey it says. And there's a little bit of green there, but I think that's just part of the setting maybe for these little pyrite rocks. But that's my first piece of jewelry from the ocean, and actually my first piece of silver jewelry altogether. So that's pretty cool. Alright, can't wait to get back out there.